Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to be making a matcha latte with almond milk. I love to drink these first thing in the morning. They're so delicious. All you will need for this recipe is matcha mix, simple syrup. Here, I am using homemade almond milk, and I made another video on just how to do that. You will need a milk frother or a mini hand blender, a cup of your choice. In a small pot, it's time to turn on the flame and add your almond milk. Once the milk comes to a simmer, I just give it a little stir. The milk heats up very fast, so you want to keep an eye on it and turn it off once it starts to boil. Now it's time to transfer the milk to your cup. Add your matcha mix and your simple syrup, and then blend it. Make sure you keep the tip of your blender submerged, because if you leave it on and pull it out, you will get milk everywhere. This process only takes a few seconds. Once everything is incorporated, your beverage is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy your beverage. Please hit the like and subscribe button.